Welcome to an exciting chapter in our school district's journey, the latest updates on ISD Bond projects. We've been hard at work, enhancing our school infrastructure to create a safe and inspiring environment for our students.
We couldn't do anything as a school district without the support of the community. Having the high percentage of affirmation, I guess, if you will, on those particular projects really says to us, hey, you're doing the right things, keep it up. We trust you. We know that the investment here will pay off. We've seen it. We've seen you be responsible stewards with what you're doing.
Nearly 85% of voters passed a no-tax increase $43 million bond in April 2021, which has allowed the ISD to make major improvements over the last couple of years. Safety is our top priority. Our security upgrades include secured entries at every school in the ISD, as well as maintenance and improvements to surveillance systems and safety software to keep our students secure.
It's expensive, and we have to keep everything up to par on technology to make sure that going into the future that these schools remain technologically safe, as well as safety from people getting in and out of the schools that shouldn't be there.
Our commitment to education is evident in the state-of-the-art family and consumer sciences classrooms and choir, orchestra, and auditorium renovations at all 3 high schools. We've made team sport and health-conscious choices, with updates to athletic storage facilities, new fields and tracks, a brand new stadium at Van Horn with a press box and stadium seating.
Van Horn High School it is like night and day. It is state-of-the-art. The outside is eye-catching. They have their own football stadium now that they've never had, and just the enthusiasm and the pride that has brought to not just to Van Horn, but to the school surrounding it, to all of us. We all feel very proud of that.
We've also invested in things less glamorous but necessary to ensure the comfort and safety of our students and staff: heating and cooling systems, window replacements, parking lot expansions. The community's trust in us fuels our dedication. These updates reflect our unwavering commitment to providing the best educational experience for our students.